In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the App Store efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, these steps will guide you through browsing, downloading, updating, and managing your apps with ease. To get started, first open your device and tap on the App Store icon. This is the gateway to your app discovery journey. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of tabs along the bottom of the screen. Each one is your friend when it comes to navigating the App Store. If you have a particular app in mind, you can use the search tab to find it by name or category. Simply tap the search icon, type in your query, and in seconds, you'll see a list of results that match what you're looking for. But perhaps you're more in the mood to explore. Then the Today apps or games tabs are perfect for you. These sections are curated to bring you the latest and greatest apps, as well as recommendations tailored to your interests, helping you discover new favorites. Once you've found an app that piques your interest, downloading it is straightforward. Tap on the app to open its detailed page. If it's a free app, hit the Get button. For paid apps, you'll see a price listed instead. After that, confirm your download with Face ID, Touch ID, or your account password. Your app will promptly begin to download and install onto your device, ready for you to explore. Now, keeping your apps updated is crucial for security and performance, and the App Store makes this easy too. To find updates, tap your profile icon located at the top right corner of the App Store. Scroll down through this section to view any pending updates. Here you have the option to update individual apps by tapping Update next to each app, or if you prefer, update everything at once by selecting Update All. This ensures all of your applications are running with the latest features and improvements. Managing your past purchases is just as seamless. By tapping your profile icon again, then selecting Purchased, you can view your entire app purchase history. This feature allows you to quickly re-download any apps you've previously deleted, or to see a list of apps you currently own. It's a neat feature that keeps all your app transactions organized in one place, ensuring you never lose track of your favorite apps. And that's it. With these insights, using the App Store becomes an intuitive and enjoyable experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, the more you explore, the more you'll discover. So get out there and enjoy all that the App Store has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy app hunting.